Hello friends, today I am here to talk to you something about my guru in numerology, Mr. Vivek Mantri. I was searching for a guru who could teach me this particular science for quite some time. And during this COVID, I was searching and I bumped into Vivek sir. The more I tell about Vivek sir, it's still less. He's a he's a very good teacher about this particular science, and not only this particular science and other related sciences that he actually teaches you. The way he took about me into this numerology, and he created a liking so that I was more than interested in learning more and more about this particular subject. He made the subject so simple, and very creatively his lectures he which he carried out from his home due to the COVID situation. One more very important point about Vivek sir is he is there ever for you to answer any sort of questions that come across your way, whether it is be a simple or a stupid question, or one which you require real some more explanation. Till today, I am in touch with him, and he is my guru as far as numerology is concerned. It could be for personal reasons, it could be for somebody else, or for anybody for that matter. Whenever I feel there is a doubt in my mind, I always message to him, and he's always there saying that okay, he'll call back after a particular time. I've never found an external person being so, friendly rather than a teacher. A guru, in my mind, is what he is. So, all those people who would love to learn more about numerology, yes, I would urge that you join his classes so that you will get a very good idea about the whole thing. Moreover, after this particular course, I've gone ahead and purchased a couple of books that he has suggested for my reading so that it cements the knowledge that he has told me, he has imparted. I'm very thankful to Mr. Vivek Guruji to have given me this opportunity to be with him while studying this particular course on numerology, which has been made very interesting by him. Thank you again, sir. Thank you.